Hi everyone, I'm Brad Marquardt. I'm the captain of Sea Esta.
Good morning, and I'm Christy Marquardt. I'm the chef on Sea Esta.
And we're going to go ahead and show you around Sea Esta here, just to give you an idea of what the guests can find here on board. So starting there in the cockpit, we're going to move forward and check out the foredeck and some of our toys. So here we're at the bow of Sea Esta, and we got a couple of features to point out. We've got a lot of toys splayed out for everybody, and we really love active families, so we're happy to get toys out during charter. We've got this awesome new hammock, and then if you pan around over here, you can see that we've got this cool feature on this Leopard 58 of this porch area that actually leads into the two upper cabins that we have on board. Guests really love this for the morning, especially. They can bring their coffee straight out here and sit in the lounge chairs and just relax with the shade. Or if we're underway, the kids will often be up on the trampolines while parents are back here in the shade just relaxing and watching the kids have a good time. Let's move on back and check out the flybridge real quick here. Watch your step on the stairs here. Great, so here we have probably the largest flybridge in the show. We certainly have enough space for a group of 10 to all be up here at the same time, which we just really love. We've even had up to 23 people up here once during a tandem charter, and just had a blast up here with all those people. So while we're underway, it's very typical for guests to be up here with us, and I'll be at the wheel, of course. And sometimes I can provide some sailing instruction or some knots instruction and just enjoy doing that. But otherwise, there's a lot of space up here, and we keep the drinks cold here and here, and wet bar action. What's that, Christy?
This is happy hour space.
Oh yes, definitely. Happy hour space as well. We tend to do our appetizer here on this table in the center. And yeah, guests just love the breeze that comes through up here and the views. Typically you can see the sea life so much better from up here. This vantage point allows for that. So yeah, it's a cool spot. So we'll head back down to the cockpit, the aft deck here.
I think I have to take that, or you can tell us about
So yeah, this is where we provide dining for the three main meals each day. As I said, appetizers we typically do upstairs as long as it's not too windy. But this provides just a beautiful setting, you know, big views all around and good breeze, so it stays nice and comfortable back here for the guests. Yeah. So from here, we'll just go ahead and head inside.
Sure. So stepping in to the salon, we've got a nice, spacious salon. One of the things I like best about this space is the tall ceilings. And we've got these hatches up there that we can open up in addition to the awesome breeze we get from these forward rooms. It's just a very, very comfortable space to hang out during the day. This table in the salon can fold in for a little more room. I haven't done too many meals at this table, except for one time we had a rainy day and I could comfortably sit 10 people around the table. There's a couple stools that come out here, so that's great. And then I love my galley. I especially love it because it's not a walk-through galley, so I kind of have my own space here, but guests can also sit in the salon and hang out and talk with me while I'm prepping food. Yeah, so nice, comfortable salon and galley. And then besides the flybridge, these two rooms up here are kind of like some of our favorite things about the boat. These rooms are unique in that guests who maybe have mobility issues, you know, they don't have to climb as many stairs to get in here, or if they feel a little claustrophobic being down below deck. You know, you're up here where you can see everything, and so it's just a really nice feature of the Leopard 58. So we take 10 guests, so we have 5 guest bedrooms. So the 2 up here, and then we'll come on down to the port side where we have 2 more queen cabins. So forward, starboard, queen bedroom. It's nice and cozy. I would say this is probably the master. They're all pretty similar in size, but this one has slightly more closet space. We've got kind of shelves and stuff here, and then back here these open up to huge hanging closets on the side behind the door. The bathroom has a shower. It's not a wet head. It's got a door and it's got a little curtain. It's kind of fun, you know, you can look out the window while you're showering. And this is the starboard aft queen cabin. Also quite cozy. I love the pillows in this room. Yeah, so you can take a look around. There's lots of windows. It's very comfortable, very, very bright down here, even for being down below. And then we'll come up gradually here and step over to the port side. You might want to check out this port side upper room as well. So I have these doors all the way, they slide all the way open right now, but they do have another level. I can show you. So this can shut for a little more privacy here, and then the guest can close the door for complete privacy. It's just a nice feature to be able to totally open it up like that. Cool. All right, well, let's go down to the port side. So we have a queen cabin forward, but currently that's our crew room. So I'll let you come down and check out this port side aft twin cabin. This is a really cool feature of this boat too. I will say that 90% of our charters last season opted for the twin cabin over the queen cabin. It's great for kids that don't want to share a bed, or if you have, you know, an odd number of travelers, and or just adults that don't mind sleeping separately. This room's great for that. We always check with the guests too, though, and if we have 5 sets of couples that want to share, you know, everyone wants a queen bed, we are totally happy to move. We just swap rooms and we take the twin cabin. But as it is now, we're in the forward room. It's just kind of worked out that way. All right. Yeah, so that's the majority of the interior, I think. So we'll sit down and do some interview questions.